Here we are over in Cumbria this afternoon, just installed a Starlink 12x12 galvanised bracket, 2-foot stumpy mast just to clear that roof line, clear line of sight, nothing in its way, wired along the mortar line in Cat 6 cable, along the top of the guttering, down behind that downspout and in through a nicely drilled hole there. One cable back out, back up along the gutter line, across the wall there, following an existing cable which I've also neatened up for him, right the way around, up, along, down the edge of this cladding type stuff, along the mortar line and in through a nicely drilled hole there. Customers receiving speeds of over 250 megabytes per second all throughout his property. All his smart devices have been connected up. This is Aaron and Bert, Space Internet Solutions.